myself, and I hope you can be into you. The last time that you checked, I was probably so sad and confused. I don't know, no, I don't know what you love, but if you're looking for something new, I know somebody that you could choose. What about me? What about me? What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever. What about me? What about me? What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever.